Hello students, welcome to lecture 6 of chapter 2 polynomials. So let us begin from where we have stopped in the previous lecture, and we were on question number 4 of exercise 2.2. So let us see that question. And the question is, find the zero of a polynomial in each of the following cases. And the first one is p of x equal to x plus 5. We have to find 0 for this polynomial. Okay, now if you will see, it is a linear polynomial. The highest exponent is 1, so it's a linear polynomial. And always remember, linear polynomial will have only one zero. Quadratic polynomial will have two zeros, and similarly cubic polynomial will have three zeros. Okay, then biquadratic means what? The highest degree is 4, so it will have 4 zeros. Clear? So it will have only one zero because it is linear polynomial. Now we need to find 0. In the previous question we have checked whether the given number is 0 of the polynomial or not. Now nothing is given to us, we need to find the 0, exact 0 of the given polynomial. Now how to find 0? We know that a 0 of a polynomial is the value of variable which makes the polynomial 0. Okay, so we will assume it as 0 and then find the value of x, that will be the 0 of the polynomial. So how you will do it? Put p of x equal to 0 to find 0 of the polynomial, because when the value of p of x is 0, at which value of x it is 0, that will be 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so put p of x equal to 0 means what? P of x is x plus 5. So put x plus 5 equal to 0. Now solve for x. What will be your x? This plus 5. After going that side, it will be minus 5. Okay, so you got value of x as minus 5. So when x is minus 5, p of x becomes 0. Therefore, minus 5 is 0 of p of x equal to x plus 5. That is the given polynomial. Okay, now let us see the next question. Next is p of x equal to x minus 5. To find it 0, again put p of x equal to 0. So you will get x minus 5, that is your p of x equal to 0. Now for what value of x it becomes 0? So find that x value. It will be plus 5, because this minus 5, after going that side, it will be plus 5. So we can write it simply 5. So when x is 5, the polynomial becomes 0. Therefore 5 is 0 of p of x equal to x minus 5. Easy. Now let us move to the next question. Next is p of x equal to 2x plus 5. We need to find it 0. To find it 0, put p of x equal to 0. What is your p of x? 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So for what value of x it is becoming 0? Solve for it. So 2x will be equal to minus 5. This plus 5, after going that side, it will be minus 5. Then what will be your x? Minus 5. This 2 here in multiplication with x, after going this side, it will be in division. So this value of x, minus 5 by 2. Therefore, minus 5 by 2 is 0 for p of x equal to 2x plus 5. Minus 5 by 2 is 0 for the given polynomial p of x equal to 2x plus 5. Easy. Now let's see the next question. Next is p of x equal to 3x minus 0. Find it 0. Put p of x equal to 0 and then find value of x. So your p of x is what? 3x minus 2. Put it 0 and then solve for x. So 3x will be equal to this minus 2, after going that side it will be plus 2. Then next step, Here 3 is in multiplication with x. After going this side, it will be in division. So this value 2 by 3. Therefore, 2 by 3 is 0 of p of x equal to 3x minus 2. Okay. So let us see the next question now. Next is very easy. P of x equal to 3x. So what will make p of x 0? What value of x will make p of x 0? 3 will be multiplied with 0, then only it will be p of x will become 0. So value of x should be 0. That means 0 will be the 0 of polynomial. Okay, solve for it. So put p of x equal to 0. So you will get 3x. Your p of x is 3x equal to 0. So what will be x? 0 upon 3. Here 3 is in multiplication. After going that side, it will be in division. So 0 divided by anything is 0. Therefore, 0 is 0 of p of x equal to 3x. Okay. Easy. This was the easiest one. Now let us move to the next one. Next is p of x equal to ax, where a is not equal to 0. Okay, so a is something constant. Solve as we solve for the rest questions. Okay, don't bother about its alphabet given, then how to do it. Okay, doesn't matter. A is not equal to 0 given. So solve for it. How to find 0? By putting the polynomial p of x as 0. So what is your polynomial? Ax. Put it 0. Now which value of x is making it 0? X is equals to 0 upon a. Here a was in multiplication. Now after going this side, it will be in division. Okay. Now 0 divided by anything except 0. Now here given a is not equal to 0. So here a is not equal to 0 because anything divided by 0 is infinity. That's why it is mentioned here a is not equal to 0. If something gets divided by 0, it becomes infinity. So this is not 0. So 0 divided by a will be equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is 0 of given polynomial p of x equal to ax. Clear? So this was the easiest one. It looks difficult, but it is very easy. Okay. So if alphabets are given, okay, so don't get confused there. Solve how you solve. Follow the procedure. And whatever value of x you are getting, that will be the 0. Clear? Now let's move to the last bit of this question. The next question looks difficult, but it is very easy. So the given polynomial p of x is cx plus d, where c is not equal to 0 and c and d are real numbers. Okay. Now don't get confused by looking so many alphabets there. First you check which one is variable. To check which one is variable, look this side. Here what is written? Polynomial in x, p of x. So polynomial is in x, variable is x. So here variable is x, rest are numbers, constants. So solve how we do it. So how to find it 0? By putting p of x equal to 0. So what is your p of x? Cx plus d equal to 0. Now solve to get value of x. We want to find value of x. Whatever is extra with x, shift to the right hand side. Okay. So cx equal to this plus d. After going that side, it will be minus d. Then the next step, still something is there with x, remove it. So c is in multiplication with x. After going that side, it will be in division. So you will get value of x as minus d by c. Therefore, what will be 0 of this polynomial? this minus d by c is 0 of polynomial cx plus d. So here we complete our exercise. Hope you find it easy. It is very easy. And this is it for today. Bye bye.